Just how amazing is Boeing in the US? How is it possible to produce and assemble a Boeing 737 in just 9 days? This is the largest aircraft factory in the world, Boeing, located in Renton, Seattle. This factory can produce 42 aircraft of different models per month. It's widely known that building an airplane requires a complex and extensive production line, as well as time. But here, an aircraft can be ready to fly in only 9 days, which is simply incredible. Let's find out how a 737 aircraft is completed in just 9 days. First, the hollow fuselage built in Kansas is transported by train to the Renton factory. From the first to the third day, the work focuses on installing the internal structure of the fuselage. It's like building a house. Various pipes and electrical equipment are installed first. On the fourth day, insulation materials and pipes are installed and the fuselage is painted. The wings and vertical tail, already processed, are transported to the factory, and workers use laser guidance to precisely install the fuselage and wings along with the landing gear. On the fifth day, the horizontal stabilizer is installed and functionality testing begins. Then engineers start extending the flight control wiring, completing the floor covering, and installing the kitchen and bathroom. On the sixth day, internal aircraft testing begins. A flashing red light indicates that the aircraft has been fully energized, allowing the landing gear to be tested to check proper function and gear installation. On the seventh day, the landing gear is tested to ensure it can support the aircraft's massive weight. Then, the engines are attached to the wings and connected to network systems, cables, and other circuits. The entire system undergoes multiple checks. The eighth day is crucial, as it's time to test the flight control, including the wings and flight deck. All cockpit components undergo individual checks, which are essential for aircraft safety. On the ninth day, the completed aircraft is removed from the factory with a tow truck. The engine and other systems are put through ground tests, and finally it is ready for its first flight. If you were impressed by Boeing's efficiency in aircraft production and want to know more incredible facts like this, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Comment below what you think about this record-breaking manufacturing process and share with someone who will love this fact too. See you in the next video.